Welcome to this tutorial on heap and priority queue basics. Today, we are going to demystify these important data structures. We will cover what they are, how they are structured, and why they are so crucial in computer science, specifically for solving coding problems efficiently. First, let's define what a heap is. A heap is a specialized tree-based data structure. However, it's not just any tree. It must satisfy a specific property called the complete binary tree property. This means that every level of the tree is completely filled, except possibly for the last level, which is filled from left to right. There are two main types of heaps that you need to know: the max heap and the min heap. In a max heap, the value of any parent node is always greater than or equal to its children. This puts the largest element at the root. Conversely, in a min heap, the parent is always less than or equal to its children, placing the smallest element at the top. Although we visualize heaps as trees, they are efficiently implemented using simple arrays. We can map every node to an index. For a node at index I, its left child is at 2 times I plus 1, and its right child is at 2 times I plus 2. This allows us to traverse the tree without needing pointers. Now, let's talk about the priority queue. Unlike a standard queue which follows first in first out, a priority queue serves elements based on their priority. Think of a VIP line at an event or a hospital emergency room where critical cases are treated before minor injuries, regardless of who arrived first. Why do we use heaps to implement priority queues? It comes down to performance. If we used a sorted array, inserting a new element would be slow because we would have to shift everything over. A binary heap allows us to insert and remove elements in logarithmic time, which is significantly faster for large datasets. Let's look at how we insert data. We start by placing the new element at the very end of the tree to maintain the complete shape. Then, we perform a process called Heapify up. We compare the new node with its parent and swap them if they are in the wrong order. We repeat this until the heap property is restored. Removing the top element, often called extract max or extract min, is slightly trickier. We remove the root and then fill the hole by moving the very last element of the heap to the root position. This breaks the heap property, so we perform Heapify down, swapping the parent with its children until it finds its correct spot. Here is a breakdown of the efficiency. Peaking at the max or min value is instant, taking constant time. Inserting and deleting takes logarithmic time, or O of log n, because we only traverse the height of the tree. Building a heap from scratch can actually be done in linear time, O of n. Heaps are used everywhere. They power Dijkstra's algorithm for finding shortest paths in maps. They handle task scheduling in your operating system to decide which program runs next. They are also used in Huffman coding for file compression and, of course, the heap sort algorithm. To summarize, remember that heaps are complete binary trees used to efficiently implement priority queues. They offer fast insertion and deletion. Keep in mind the difference between max and min heaps, as picking the right one is often the key to solving algorithmic problems.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.